Welcome, amazing ladies and gorgeous women, to my new video. In today's video, I'm excited to share some fantastic short hairstyling ideas with you. With these tips, you can achieve a glamorous look that is absolutely fabulous. So let's dive into these ideas and make an amazing impact. As you can see, we have some perfect styling suggestions exclusively for you. Get ready to be captivated by these amazing ideas that will highlight your features. These hairstyles are expertly crafted, showcasing a range of brownish colors, as well as straight and sleek cuts. Ladies and women, brace yourself for an impressive transformation. For those in search of short hairstyle ideas, you'll find inspiration that perfectly complements your preferences and face shape. Embrace these ideas and you will witness a remarkable change in your overall appearance. Trust us, these ideas are exactly what you have been looking for. That exudes sheer glamour, matched with your unique face shape. These ideas will undoubtedly leave a lasting impression. Get ready to make an impact wherever you may go. Here are some short hairstyling ideas that are sure to catch your eyes. Accuracy of these pretty haircuts is simply remarkable, tailored perfectly to suit ladies and women. It is time to experience the transformative power of these impactful short hairstyles. Behold the beauty of black and golden shades. These short pixie haircuts are designed to make you fall in love with your reflection. Ladies, get ready to leave a lasting impression wherever you may go. Notice how flawless and stuff that is executed. Embrace these ideas and you'll discover the true potential of your hair. Pixie plugs have become a popular choice among women, seeking a chic and daring look with their short and well-maintained nature. Pixie haircuts offer a refreshing change and the ability to make a bold fashion statement. Whether you're a young woman looking to embrace a trendy hairstyle or an older woman wanting to achieve elegance and confidence, the pixie haircut is a versatile option worth considering. Short pixie haircuts are characterized by their curved length, typically ranging from a few centimeters to a couple of inches. This short length allows for easy styling and provides a distinct charm that sets pixie haircuts apart from longer hairstyles. Not only are they practical and time-saving, but they also have the power to transform your entire appearance. Pixie haircuts come in various styles and variations, allowing you to find the perfect fit for your face shape and hair texture and personal style. Let's explore some of the most popular pixie haircuts that have been making waves in the fashion industry. This classic pixie haircut features short, evenly cropped hair all around. This timeless style adds a touch of sophistication and can be customized to suit different face shapes and hair textures. It is a versatile option that works well for women of all ages. If you are looking for a slightly longer variation of a classic pixie, the pixie bob is a great choice. This style features a bit more length at the front, creating a bob-like effect while still maintaining that enough of a pixie cut. For those who prefer a slightly longer pixie, a long pixie haircut is the perfect compromise. This style offers more length on top while keeping the back and side shorter. It allows for more styling options and versatility. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel.